Hey everybody, Spencer Adkins here with you. It's the home style edition of the Weather Blender blog. It is Friday, it's the 22nd of January. Never a day off, even on a day off when you're talking about the weather. So let's jump to it. Checking out the satellite here first of all, and a couple of big storms as you can see. One that just passed through, that's the one that brought us all the freezing rain. Here's a little picture here of the freezing rain from, let's say, around the Gent area, where of course our viewers can catch us on CBS 59. So now the rain is tapered off. And as you can see on the satellite picture, again, out west, another big storm is brewing. So we'll have to keep our eye on that one. That one's going to be bringing us some rain over the next couple of days here. Let's continue and let's look at the rest of our picture here. We start off at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet. We're forecasting now Saturday, looking at the model that we call the NAM. Big ridge overhead, and that provides us with a little dry weather. Big trough out in the west circled by the big red circle there, and you can tell that that's a pretty stormy setup right there with some cold air plunging in from the west. So on the interface between those two, that's where we will expect to see some rain. Now again, this is looking at the surface and a nice warm airflow from the south. You can see the surface low is sitting out, let's say, over western Iowa and western Minnesota. So that is going to continue to drift, but pulling rain showers up from the south and from the west. So Saturday's a dry day. Let's jump out. That's Saturday evening. Pretty mild too. Here's Sunday evening. The low has now moved over the upper peninsula of Michigan. A straight line of showers with heaviest amounts of rainfall in southern West Virginia. That's already gone through and the showers lightening up, but the colder air, the big blue arrow, already plunging its way on in. So that again is Sunday night. We will have a warm start, followed by the showers that knock our temperature down somewhat. And then we look out ahead all the way out until when? Well, all the way out until Monday. Monday, a break early, followed by another plunge of cold air. And see that -10 line out there? That's some very winter-like conditions, and those are going to roll on in. Will bring us snow showers. That is on our Tuesday, and we'll stay there in the 30s. We'll level out for a couple of days, and by the weekend, the weather models are indicating that we will certainly be seeing very cold air as we roll toward next weekend. So we'll keep our eye on that for you. In the meantime, hopefully that gets you up to date here. For those of you who want to know a little bit more about how the weather works and what we look at when we forecast, we'll continue to bring you more video blogs as we go throughout. Hope you have a great weekend.